So we're kicking it off with the moving head fixture. Tell me more about this guy.
All right, well, first up we got our Flurry EXA, brand new for Infocomm 2015 this year. This is our new update to our Flurry 5. We call it the Flurry EXA because it's got 6-in-1 LEDs. It's got 4x15 watt RGB AW plus UV. It's a real smooth. It actually matches our little G that we've had out for a little while. Same body style and extremely bright, 25-degree beam angle, and gives you a really nice, colorful wash for those floors.